Hey guys, Fahad Zaman here. In this video, I will show you how to create your own website without having to write any code. If you are just starting and you want to create your first website, or if you just want to build a simple but beautiful looking website in the least possible time, then this video will help you. With Zyro, you can make amazing website in just a few minutes and without any coding. You can find the link in the video description. The first step to make any account on Zyro is very simple. Just put your details here to register on Zyro.com. Once you registered or logged in on Zyro.com, you can see the button to create a website. And now you can see a lot of templates. Choose a template, edit it in the way you want and use it on your website. You can see a lot of categories here. There is e-commerce, business, portfolio, resume, events, and there are landing pages. Now I just want to create a simple website for myself, so I just look into some of these themes right here. You can just click on the preview button to preview that particular template. So I like this template right here and I think I'm going to use this. You can switch to device size, you can switch to tablet here, and you can also switch to mobile view and it looks great. So let's go ahead, edit this template, and I am going to make my website. So just simply click on start button. That will take you to Zyro website build up. As you can see, you can just drag any element the way you want to edit this template. You can customize this template to any way you want. First of all, I am going to change the default name to my name. And then I will change the link of social media that actually link to my own social media accounts. Here you can also change the color of the social media icon. And here I will be briefly explain myself. This text is about myself that anyone can actually read on website. I want to make it attractive. And on this text, I will edit it and write about myself and add some more details here which looks good. And the AI tool will help you make slogans and write the website text instantly. Here you can see a lot of categories. You can choose your category and it will generate the text automatically. And here I am going to edit this button and add a text to get in touch. You can totally customize it according to your wish. I want to make sure that there will be my email for my client and they will be able to email. So I will just click on the email and write my email here. And here if you want, you can change its background color. And the next part is to change that image. Remove this default image and put my image right here. I just click on replace image. I can just choose the image I want to replace and I can upload any image from my computer. And it's done. Here you can change all the image if you want. I'm going to remove all these images right here. And I want to add some of my YouTube videos which I am proud of. Just click on add element, click on video and just drag it and drop it here. You can adjust its size so it can fix exactly in that spot. Copy the video link and paste it here. And above that, I will put the text here. Now I also want to link to my YouTube channel from my website. So to add a button, go to add element and just drag the button here, and I just link it to my YouTube channel. So if anyone clicks on it, he will be taken to my YouTube channel in a new tab. Here you can add more elements if you want. For example, I want to add my Instagram feed at the bottom of this page. Just drag and drop the Instagram feed, adjust its size and connect your Instagram with it. And that's it. Here you can also add the follow button as we previously added for YouTube. Now I am just going to create a new page right here. I am going to call it Tech News. Just go ahead and add a section right here. You can see there is lot of default sections available right here. You can choose whatever you want. I am going to choose very basic one, this one right here, and then I will just edit the text and put it as the tech reviews. And here you can also add your post. Finally, I will add a contact form so people can actually request to join or if they want to contact with me. Here are different templates to choose from. And it's almost done. As you can see, it's just drag and drop and very easy to use. So I am going to preview it and it looks beautiful. So I am done with creating my website. So now I am going to publish my website, and when you are publishing it, you can see I am actually hosting it as the subdomain of Zyro.com. If you are not willing to spend any money, it's only up to you, or you can connect your own domain. So here is all the premium plans. If you use Unleashed subscription, it will give you a domain for free of cost for 1 year. And if you use my promo code Fahad to sign up for Zyro, you can get 30% off of paid plans. So link is available in the video description. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.